Good afternoon. We're here at the Future Electronics Sales and Marketing Conference 2019. We're with Owen Bateman, the Sales Director for QuickLogic. Owen, can you explain to us what you're showcasing to the people here today?
We have our VoiceTech product here with a little competition for the sales guys. So there's some Amazon vouchers up for grabs if they can guess some Easter egg phrases that we've programmed in, and that will demonstrate the voice technology and key phrase detection. So we've got that, and then we've got our AI product that we're demonstrating here for wearables, which is a full suite of silicon, very low power Sense Hub silicon, and a software suite that will allow engineers to easily design complex algorithms and target for the hardware. So it's getting engineers to market 6-9 months earlier than ordinarily they would if they were writing in C, for example. So, and then we've got another little demo that demonstrates that technology on a fan working. So for predictive maintenance type applications. So for white goods and things like that. If you're looking at pumps failing, or you want to listen for specific sounds.
It's one of the big buzzwords of the moment, isn't it? Predictive maintenance.
Predictive maintenance is one of the big ones. Everyone's looking at it, and it's a great time to actually get into it now, because people haven't actually started designing with it. They're still through the evaluation phase or getting into the evaluation cycle. So it's a really good chance for us to get in at an early stage with a complete solution, and nobody else on the line card from Future has the software and the silicon solution from complete start to finish.
And what's the advantage of using an FPGA over maybe some other solutions?
Well, the technology that we've got, we've been an FPGA company for 30 years now, I think. The technology that we've got now embeds FPGA with a complete system on a chip. So it's got an ARM core product and an FPGA. The idea of adding the FPGA gives us a lot of benefits for specific algorithms that we want to implement. There's always a software-hardware trade-off with any technology that you're trying to design with. Sometimes you can implement things at lower power or higher performance in hardware than you can running it on a software stack on a processor, and it allows us to have that trade-off. And the software, the nice thing about it is the software tools we've got does that automatically. So the engineer doesn't have to write in VHDL code. He just takes his sensor data, labels the event that he wants to track, if he's looking for a wrist action or something like that, for a watch or a wearable, and the tools will spit out the binaries to put that classifier for that event onto the chip. So very, very easy, great solution.
Perfect. Thanks, Owen.